Hey everyone, Extreme speaking. Well, it's Thursday and it's my Binance Earn update. With the twist, I've started with a new strategy working towards it. As you all know, when you log into your Binance, you can go to Finance and you can go down into Earn. With different options, I'm still using the flexible terms. The reason why I'm using the flexible terms is my crypto is available whenever I need it. With about 58 different options of different cryptos you can earn from, why not? And as you can see, I've also added the auto transfer, meaning every time there's enough funds, my crypto automatically goes from my spot wallet into my Earn, according to the different coins I have. Yes, I do have USD, BUSD, and BTC also in my account, but I'm using that on my grid trading bot. So what I've been doing is using my grid trading with 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙑, and as my different coins start accumulating and giving me profits in those coins, it's automatically transferred to the Earn section, giving me additional percentages profits as the coins come in. And the main benefit for me is whenever I have those crypto needed or want to use it, I can just redeem it and it will go straight back to my spot wallet. So this is a new strategy I've been implementing for a week, more or less now, and it's working wonders. I can't complain. As you can see, from 5.12% yearly, 5.79 bake, giving us 9.9% yearly. It's profits for crypto that was just gonna lie there and I'm not gonna do anything with them. So why not use the opportunity and let it work for you? Yes, some people will say it's small profits, but at least it's safe. It's lying there, my bot is trading using the API keys, and the additional profit it's making, I'm putting it back into the flexible terms, and it's generating me additional profits. Just a thought, just a strategy. Do you have crypto lying around not working for you? Why not looking at the Earn section in Binance Finance? Think about it. Have a great one.